Hello mga kapitay! Let's get ready with me while we talk about scarcity mindset and hoarding. So before, mahilig din ako sa mga sale. And hindi ko siya, alam mo yun, hindi ko siya pinapalampas. Like, every time kung may sale man, I make sure na maka-avail ako ng like yung mga buy one take one, mga Watson's item na sinasabi ko magagamit ko, but at the end of the day, I don't. And kasi, alam mo yung nasa mindset ko na parang, ay wala na to, baka next time wala na to, maubusan na to, or what. But considering na you still have a lot of items in your home na they're waiting to be consumed because malapit na silang ma-expire. Okay lang yan if it's a food product, pero yung mga items like lotion, shampoo, yan yung pag-hoard is, alam mo yon, hindi pala siya maganda because, ayun nga, over consumption, tapos, kumbaga, it's not really worth your money kasi may expire lang din eh. And magagamit mo pa sana siya to invest in other things which, alam mo yun, kakailanganin mo. Mas kakailanganin mo pa in the future. So, ayun lang. So, sa mga iba dyan na medyo nagsastruggle na pigilan ng kanilang self to buy, always isipin nyo muna, mag-hold back muna kayo for maybe, 1 to 2 days kasi hindi naman eventually ikakat na nila agad yung sale. Diba minsan 3 to 5 days naman yan. So you still have the time to decide if you really need that item ba. Okay, so kung nakita mo yung sale, then alam mo naman, marami pa naman talaga siya. And marami rin namang mall siguro na nag-offer nung sale na yon. Give it like 24 to 72 hours. Kapag naiisip mo pa rin siya for that long period or gusto mo pa rin siya after 72 hours, then sige, you buy it. At least you gave your time to think so many times muna before impulsively buying